So Princess Y80, so 80 is about 80 foot long, plus a bit. So we're just waiting to have a little moochie on board. That is a massive high-low swim platform. Beautiful. We're just waiting. Okay. This is a crew quarters. You need a boat that needs crew. Your boat's too big.
Free crew?
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking huge, actually. And they've got a proper shower scheme.
Man, look at where it happens. Oh my god.
Bloody hell, it's a bigger bathroom than we got on our boat.
Oh god, yeah. The bathroom is gorgeous compared to the one we got on Nigel's.
Oh, and here we go.
Look at this.
Oh, it's yeah, but I mean, it's massive.
The sex shop.
But
The
I've
engine.
got to talk one
Fucking
thing.
hell.
Look at
Oh, so
that.
do you do the audio afterwards then?
I can do, I can edit it all out and do it all.
So this isn't that after coat with you?
V12s. Beautiful. Got a couple of MAN V12 engines down here. Absolute monsters. V12s, two of them. So fucking sick. Now, this is an engine room. I love it. A couple of V12s, look at it.
Walk around
This. Headroom in here.
Everything has a space. But saying that, if you've got to get down there, that's a
Ridiculous.
tight area to get down.
Engineering in this
Small, don't you? You need some
ship
small to get in.
is
Is that a
incredible.
generator? A generator.
Okay, bird. Obviously hatch up as well. Back through the crew quarters. Wow, what a big kit.
Oh, that's alright for us. They've got options.
Oh. Where's Bex gone? Look at that. Fantastic. Let's demonstrate on the table. Brilliant. The size of the walkway.
Just try and make it.
Pretty spacious, aren't they?
Bex, they don't let's get a nice picture of you over there. Just stand over there by the tables. You look at home with your stickers on there.
Spacious.
You look like you've got slippers on.
I get a point was trying to do, but I didn't do.
That kitchen is amazing. Bex, stand behind the kitchen.
You go behind that bird. Okay.
Me and
Yeah,
you
Bex
get
doesn't want to be in the
picture
video,
of
does she?
the big one.
Look at the size of this thing.
Just washing the dishes up.
Insane.
The dishwasher. There it is. That's
Right, go to the
yeah.
boys' toys room.
And then they got
Oh yes. Now we got a helm. Look at
yeah,
that.
because it's a push space.
Wow.
This is the biggest boat
Look
I've been on.
at
Yes, look at
that.
this, I love this. I love this. So you can all sit up.
So
Look at how they lot. Like,
Bird,
lounging.
got to take a photo of me in the
they're all
helm
on
seat.
that's a 90.
Let's film it. It's recording. I'll just edit the crap this out.
You can just see everything, can't you?
Bird,
Can't live it.
do you reckon we can live on this?
Oh yeah, definitely. It's just-
I reckon I can helm this.
I'm going to pan it round.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Look at the seating.
Right, yeah, crew, get ready. We're coming in. More.
Can you get everybody off the
Pan it
bow of the
back.
boat,
I can all this
please?
up on my own. Don't worry about it. Love it.
I mean,
Right.
I love that. I love that. I love this seating area here.
Love it.
I love this. So you can have people here. Access onto the bedrooms.
What a space. Oh. So there's the day ahead. Fantastic.
There you have 2 beds.
A galley. Oh, sorry mate. Hi everybody. So the galley, this is fully equipped obviously. Pretty nice. Door out. Refrigeration. Yeah. I guess stand here and serve my guests, no problem. No problemo. Now where's the doors gone? Down below. So we've gone down. Now we're going aft. Look at that. That's his and half, that is. His and hers sinks, or his and hers and hers. Double sinks. And there we are. What a cabin. Absolutely beautiful. So around this side we have vanity unit and a walk-in wardrobe. Lovely, lovely.
This is the master cabin.
This is the master cabin, ladies. Yes. This is the master cabin.
Do you want me to lay on the bed so you can
No.
film it?
Jesus. Right, so we've gone down, now we're going up a little bit. So then, which end of the boat I'm at? So this is starboard. A double cabin with its own ensuite. Lovely windows. Beautiful shower. Nice double bed. So come out of this one. Still going. I really have lost my bearings where I am on this boat. I think we're going forward. Twin cabin. Another ensuite. Shower. Toilet. Excellent. Windows. All looking fantastic. So we come out of here, forwards again to VIP suite, I would imagine it. So big flat screen TV, beautiful woodwork, and what have we got in this one? Storage, hanging locker. Good lighting everywhere. So this is going to be another storage locker. Indeed. Storage. And behind the door is another wet room which some of this may wet. Now that's naughty. But a very nice big shower room. Oh, sorry mate. Walking back out, cabin's headroom. What have we got in here? Washing machine. Washing machine. Storage. What a cabin. Dryer or washer, whatever. Storage. Fantastic. massive windows. Cabinet storage. Look at that Princess tool bag. Get me a Princess tool bag. So back up, main salon. Favourite room. Bird's room. Just kidding. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, let's see if there's any room up here. Is there any room up here, girls, for guests?
It's beautiful.
Look at this. I'll go behind the bar. Wow.
So that's one element.
Wow.
So that literally has got a bigger bit at the front.
Look at this. Spacious cabinets. That is a sunbed and a half. Awesome. What do you think, Bird?
Love it. If we can afford one, we can have one, yeah?
Could you live on it, Mum?
I reckon we could, should we crew it ourselves?
Yeah,
Just the two
yeah,
of
I
us?
reckon we could. What is it, 70 foot?
Yeah, it's 80 foot, 85. So we need a captain's license. God damn.
Get on it then.
I don't know why though, because it's not that. I say it's not that big. It's massive, but
Can I take a picture of the...
I could quite happily crew this on my own with me and Cal and one more person. Bigger the boat, easier they are to drive. Slatted roof.
What you need a so not
Commercial license.
oh, do you?
Private.
Over 80 foot. So Nigel's would be any good.
No. Yes, a bit big. And that was a little tour of the the Princess Y80.
That's actually 158.
Y80.
Yeah.
Let's get the spec. Let's get the spec for you guys. Just alright. Y80.